Hello, I just finished watching the introductory video and the video for the second assignment here. So I already previewed each of the three hyperdocs that I have to evaluate. You know, Give myself some time to think about it, and here are my 2 stars and a wish. And for the first one here, I actually start with wish. It's almost so overwhelmingly artsy. Like the special ed educator in me, like this first page just seems so busy. There's not like a clear beginning, and so I think there's something to be said about having a format at the top that even that helps the students get started. Uh, that being said, I like that when I clicked on the link here, it worked. It brought me right to it. Uh, and, I do like that it had this idea of reading with a partner and discussing questions and not necessarily having to jot anything down that, led towards a, more organic experience when it comes to, understanding and discussion. All right, so the Lewis and Clark one, this was huge. I mean, it was like, I forget how many slides it was, but there were like 12 slides on this. You know, I appreciate all the work that somebody went into making this. Wow. Um, anyway, so what I do like about it is that it's not overly artsy, right? There's a consistent background. We're not driving around and making it too colorful. All the links that I clicked on work. There was clear boxes. And student, here it says, for example, type your answer here. There's no like real question about what exactly am I supposed to do on this page. So even if this was my as a student, first experience of a hyperdoc, it would have been, I feel like even a special ed student would know uh, what to do with it. That being said, it does seem that it's, you know, could have been an individual assignment, which might be a bit overwhelming, uh, you know, but I guess it would also depend on how the teacher signed it, right? If you sign it with a heterogeneous grouping, the students could discuss and work their way through it together. I think that would probably be really nice with this assignment. All right, on to the last one with simple machines. Say I'm a fan of the Bill Nye videos. I think he does a great job making science entertaining, and I think that age appropriate. When I assume that this hyperdoc activity was geared towards middle school students or intermediate school. So that was one of my stars. The second star is that, again, there's clear to me sections, although I probably would have added a column over here, maybe like step 1, step 2, but maybe at that point I'm nitpicking. And then I guess my wish would be that, there is, lacking a collaborative talking it out point. But that is all. Thank you very much for your time.